All right, are you frustrated as a spray tan technician that your clients are only getting about 5 days max of like really, really good color? Or have you kind of just given up and just accepted the fact that you're only gonna get 4 to 5 max really good color days out of your spray tan? Well, I am here to give you the secret sauce as to how to make sure your spray tan clients are getting 9 to even 12 days of a really good looking spray tan. Hey, hello, and welcome to Impressive Glow. I am Gina, owner and educator for Impressive Glow Spray Tan and Teeth Whitening Training, where my ultimate mission is to help women, moms, single moms learn how to start a side hustle as a spray tan or teeth whitening technician and to build some financial independence in that process. All right, so let's talk tan longevity. And one of the biggest questions I probably am gonna have for you at the beginning of this is, do you even know how long your spray tans are lasting your clients? That is something super important for you to know and be made aware of, and that can vary from solution to solution, but it's really important for you to understand how long your clients are actually getting out of these spray tans, because not only do you want to be known in your area for the spray tan artist who gives beautiful colored spray tans, but you also want to be able to provide longevity, and you want to be able to provide the longest wear of a spray tan in your local community, because I can promise a lot of girls are only getting 3 to maybe 5 days out of a really good tan. And if you can be known as the person who can get your girls 9 to 12 days out of a tan, they are far more likely to come to you and show that you have quality products and you can give the ultimate experience. All right, make sure you stick to the end of this video where I'm going to tell you all about my brand new spray tan training program called Spray Tan Solution 101, where I teach you all about the science of spray tanning. So stick around so I can tell you all about that. All right, so let's get into the top 3 reasons why your spray tans may not be lasting as long as you want them to. And let's be very honest, I think this all boils down into education. Not enough spray tan artists are educating their clients. I see a lack of education between spray tan artists and client. And let's be honest, we all have our, basic spray tan prep instructions, post tan instructions, but there are some really important ones that I think are often missed in that conversation or in that communication. So let's really talk about that. So one of the first things in terms of educating your client is going to be the type of aftercare products they are using. Of course, we tell them no Dove and all of these things, but are you really letting them know they really can't be using products that have mineral oil in them, excessive amount of alcohol, a lot of fragrance in them, because that will really tear apart that tan and really start to make it fade, and not only fade, but also fade really, really uneven and not give it a really good longevity of good solid tan. Another key educational point that you need to bring up to your clients is hot showers. I know it's cold in a lot of areas, but if you're wanting your spray tan to last you 9, 10, 12 days, please educate your clients and let them understand the longer the shower, the hotter the water means the shorter amount of time that they're going to have this beautiful, long-lasting tan. What happens when you take that hot shower is you're tearing away dead skin cells, which is what we need to let that spray tan last as long as we want it to. All right, before I get into the very last most important tip that I can give you about tan longevity, if you're interested in starting a spray tan business this year and starting a side hustle, becoming financially independent, watch this video. I never know which side it's going to be on, but watch this video all about what you need to start your business this year and to start that hustle. All right, are you ready? You ready for the most important tip that I see not communicated to clients so often? Showering. Your clients should not shower before they come to see you a minimum of 6 hours before their appointment. What happens when they shower? They're normally hot showers. They're normally exfoliating really good because they think that that's what you want them to do, and they're putting product all over their skin. So they're getting rid of all these beautiful, wonderful dead skin cells that we actually need for that DHA to attach to and to give them that longer wear of their tan. So please make sure you're letting your clients know and you're communicating all these educational things to them so that you can apply a perfect spray tan, and they're educated behind knowing what they need to do pre-tan and post-tan to keep the longevity of this spray tan. All right, I am so excited to announce the launch of my brand new spray tan training program, Spray Tan Solution 101. This spray tan training course has been designed for the beginner spray tan artists, the seasoned spray tan artists who just need maybe reassurance or the beginning education of spray tan science. How to really understand spray tan solution, how to really understand the science of spray tanning. So in my course, you're going to learn things about skin type and DHA and what percentages we should be using, skin tone and solution base and why that does make a difference, the real truth behind alcohol and aloe-based solution, the differences between rapid and regular solutions that you may not have learned before, all about my take on spray tan solution additives in your spray tan solution. So many key things that a lot of training programs I don't see are training on. And so when I do coaching calls for people who are in the spray tan industry, which by the way, I do offer 1 hour Zoom coaching calls if you are already a spray tan artist and you just have some questions. But one of the most important things and often asked questions that I get during those coaching calls all really are in the realm of science of spray tanning, and not enough spray tan artists are really getting a deep dive education into these types of things. So that's exactly what this Spray Tan Solution 101 training is for. It's not about business, it's not about positioning, it's none of that. It's really a deep dive into the science of spray tan and spray tan solutions. So I hope you guys are excited for that. I will leave the link for that training program down in the description so you can get your hands on that. And don't forget, if you are interested in starting a spray tan or teeth whitening business, I offer online, live, virtual, and small group training in Southern California. I'll leave all the details down below. Make sure you stay tuned. I'm gonna link some of my, again, I never know where. I'm gonna link some playlists when it comes to all things tips and tricks for spray tan artists. So you can check out all the things that I have for that. Make sure you are subscribed so you can check in on all the new videos that I have coming out pretty soon. I got a lot of stuff planned for this month and actually this quarter. So stay tuned. See you guys in the next video.